Hello guys, welcome to our channel Engineer Verma. In this video, we will create a program of swapping of two numbers using third variable in C. Then let's get started. Now we will open any editor. Right now I am in this video I am using CodeBlock editor. You can use any editor which you prefer. And now we will create a new file and we will save this file using .c extension and we will give the file name swapping.c. Okay, we replace it, yes, and now we will write the code in this. First we will include header file which is hashtag include stdio dot h header file, which it's mean standard input output header file, and main function void main function is necessary to each program. And now we will declare three variables: int, which is integer type, int num1, num2, and temp. And now we insert printf function which will print enter sorry enter the num1, and scanf function which will read the value of num1. Address operator num1, and we can say that it will take the number from user. Another printf function, and this will print on console enter the num2. And scanf function percentage %d and address operator num2. Wait, before writing the logic, I would like to print those number which is entered by user in num1 and num2. For that, I will write printf, and in this printf, I will print num1 is %d. %d will print num1, and another printf num2 is %d num2, and we will use in this lesson which is for new line, and here also we will use /n for new line. Okay, now we will write the logic. Temp assignment operator num1. We assign the value of num1 in temp, and now we will assign the value of num2 in num1. In first line, we assign the value of num1 in temp. Now temp and num1 both are holds the same value, and in other line we assign the value of num2 in num1. And now we assign the value of temp, which is the value of num1 in num2. Value of temp assigned in num1. After this logic, both value of num1 and num2 would be swapped, and now we will print these value on console using printf function. Printf num1 is %d Percentage d print the value which is hold by number, and another printf function num2 is num2 is percentage d. Percentage b print the value of num2. Okay, this is our program, and now we will run this program. After running this program, you will see this type of console, and it will ask for user to enter num1. Now we will enter 45, and num2 we will enter 23, and num1 is 45, num2 is 23, and num1 is okay. We will do some changes in this program so that we can easily understood of this program. Here we will write before swapping. Here control C, and here also we will write before swapping num1 and 2, and here we will use /n for new line, and here we will write after swapping. Control C, and here we will also write after swapping, and here we will use /n for new line, and here we will also use /n for new line. Now we save it. Now again we will run this program. Okay, now enter number. We enter 12, and num2 we enter 14. Okay, and see, before swapping num1 is 12. Okay, we enter 12, and before swapping num2 is 14. Okay, we enter 14, and after logic, after swapping we can say num1 is 14, and after swapping num2 is 12. So that is our swapping program. Okay, thanks for watching, and we will meet in next video.